Hi, I'm Sarah and this is Rebecca, Senior Interior Designers from Wisdom Homes. We're here to take you on a walkthrough of the impression display home out at Cobbitty. We've filled this home with Intrim Timber Mouldings to create the country Hamptons feel with a touch of coastal.
On the ceiling, we've used Intrim LB03 Lining Board, which introduces the style of the home and replicates the line work of the floor.
The media room has a stunning vertical batten which draws your eye up to the decorative ceiling. The decorative beams and lining boards creates the perfect country aesthetic which can be enjoyed by the whole family.
The lining board ceiling continues into the open plan lounge room and kitchen. The drop ceiling accentuates the kitchen as its own room, however still provides a relationship to the open plan layout.
Heading outside, the ceiling of the Alfresco is finished with the Intrim lining boards to create a sense of flow and connection to the rest of the home.
The cabana is also finished with the same look. Being undercover, the FJ Pine lining boards from Intrim are the ideal solution to achieve the look that we're after.
When designing this home, the key consideration was the central staircase. The board and batten full height wainscoting was created with Intrim DAR. It provides a simple and cost-effective way to create impact and connect the zones of the home.
The full height designs adds a sense of flair, and we love how the shadow accentuates the shape of the wainscoting. A consistent style with the downstairs media room, the upstairs lounge features the same vertical wall battens. To create this look, we use Intrim WB01 in a 66 size.
When designing this master suite for this country Hamptons home, we were aiming to create a space reminiscent of a coastal resort.
The Intrim lining boards are featured in the framed out coffered ceiling. And then we've used the same vertical wall battens on the main feature wall. When selecting the skirting for this home, we upgraded to a 135 and then chose a double shadow line instead of a single to accentuate the rest of the line detail we have throughout the home.
One of my personal favourites is using the diamond pattern wall panelling to create a point of difference to the rest of the home.
When building your country Hamptons dream home, ensure that you ask your builder for Intrim Timber Mouldings to deliver the style and character of the home. It's more affordable than you think, and it's something that Wisdom Homes is proud to be offering our clients.